Let's take a look here at Google Sheets scenario 5. In this scenario, we're going to take a look at ways that you can expedite your workflow with Google Sheets. Otherwise, make your workflow more efficient. When we talk about workflow, we're talking about ways that you could use the tabs here at the very bottom of your spreadsheet to be more efficient with the way you analyze the data. We're not going to focus here too much on analyzing the data, but how ways that you can expedite that workflow. So I'm going to start here just by averaging these test scores here of these fake students here. And then we'll sort that into descending order. All right, so one thing I can do here very easily is if I insert a chart, and what I'm going to do is make this chart be its own sheet. So I click here, and now you see I have a new tab here. It becomes a separate tab on this spreadsheet here. I can go back and forth. And so I can do another one here. Let's go ahead and add a different one here. A different kind of chart. And we'll change it from column to, let's say, a pie chart here. I'm going to add this to its own sheet. So now I have multiple tabs now on this spreadsheet here. So what I can do here, one way that I can expedite my workflow when I have a lot of different tabs here on a spreadsheet, I can rename the tabs to make that a little easier for me to understand, especially if I share this with people, for them to understand too. So I can rename a tab here, so we can call this test scores, and we can call this one here bar chart, and then we'll call this one pie chart. So we have, so again, one way you can expedite your workflow is renaming the tabs here. Another way we can do is also we can color code them. So if I was to click on the test scores here, I can change the color here. So maybe I want to make this one yellow, and this one here, we can make this one here this color, and then we'll change the color on this one, and we'll make it dark. So you can then color code that for your own workflow. And another thing you can do here is duplicating duplicating your tabs here. So maybe I want to do something with it. I like the way the data looks here, but I want to take the same data and do some other things with it. So so what I can do here very easily, I can go here back to this tab, and I can go to duplicate. And then what it does, it makes a complete copy of it. And then what I do on this tab here on the copy, it won't affect what's over here on this tab here. So I can analyze this data a variety of other ways. So let's say, for example, say I'm going to maybe do a filter here. And we'll say here, for example, we'll say greater than 70. So maybe this is for like enrichment students here. I'm looking at, so I can create different filter views, and what I do here will not be the same as what I do on this one as well. So you can definitely, when it comes to expediting workflow, just know that you can duplicate your tabs, you can color code them, and you can rename the tabs. All three simple ways to expedite your workflow